Hello guys, today I will walk you through how you can step all those things, okay, in testnet as well as in minute in Pi browser, how you can develop your app. First of all, you can just enter all those things, okay, your name, subtitle, descriptions, okay, and app network, everything. You need to complete everything like this. App network should be first you have to do in testnet, Pi testnet. Okay, and all those things you have to set public, self-hosted. Here in your app URL, after writing .app, please don't write hash, okay, like in you will be able to see here in privacy policy there is hash, but in app URL and in development URL you should not write hash because it will not accept, and while submitting you will get error. And you may think why your app is not working. Your app is everything is fine. Because of that hash it will not work. So after .app it should not be hash. See here properly, okay? And this is the main thing. And now let's go to another thing from here, and you need to just configure your hosting. You can just click out here and set self-hosted and just click submit, and from here you can just create your wallet, okay, connected wallet address. If you haven't created, you can create it. It is very simple to create, and what you need to do is that you can just code your app. To code your app you can start from scratch, not to with demo app. No need to go to demo app and you will be redirected to somewhere else, and you have to come back, and now you have to configure your development URL like this only, okay, .app and no hash. And if you are working with your local host, then you can just write localhost 3000 or 5000 or any port, it will be okay. But I suggest you to enter your proper domain only to know how it works, okay. And after that you have to click out here in, and you have to run your sandbox. Make sure that your coding is sandbox is true in your code. If you don't know, you can just comment in comment section so that I can assist you, and you can just paste that the URL you have just copied, and the Pi code team will provide you some slug, okay. See, this is the thing, and I have been automatically logged in because I have already accepted this privacy policy and everything, and I have already consented. See this one. And if you want to purchase anything, first you need to just click on logout, and now again click on login, okay, sign in with Pi network. When you click out here in sign with Pi network, then you will be able to log in. See like this, you will be able to see this one, and you will be able to see your username, and we will not fetch anything, okay. Let me try with this one. This is for testnet, and let me just try, okay. No need to enter anything. In testnet we have already provided everything, okay, and you can just enter a passphrase. This is anything, you need to have to remember or do anything. You can just type anything and it will work, because this is just a gateway. And now see here, you are asking to pay like this. If everything works fine, then this is the thing. But remember that your server side should approve this one, okay. This is the main thing. What you need to remember is now let me just click on here send, okay. When you enter your correct passphrase of your Pi browser, then you will be able to send, okay. Now let me click out here in send, and let me see whether I'm getting successful or not. Yeah, see, payment succeeded. And now you can just close, okay. This is just a testnet, it is nothing. You need not have to worry, your main real Pi is not gone. See, and now configure development URL. It will be automatically fetched, okay, when you do like that, and it will be automatically ticked. See this one, okay. See, there is no slash or hash, okay, behind that one, and you can just click on submit. And this is the main thing, validate domain ownership, okay. you just need to copy this one domain and you just need to verify. But remember to enter this in your root dictionary according to which, from where you are developing this application, web app. According to that, it should work. And now you have to enter your PyNet subdomain out here, and remember that this PyNet subdomain you have to enter, and for random digit will be provided by the Pi core team, like that 6671. This is provided by core team. And see, process or transaction on the app. When you complete this in run sandbox, okay, development app in this sandbox, at that time if the transactions went successful, then last step will be completed automatically, so you need not have to worry. Now what you need to do is that when you just go inside this one, and first let me log out, okay, from here, and see this last step I showed you, right? This is the thing when you run. Okay, now let me try to run this in sandbox mode, okay, and just I'm doing again just to show you, okay, when I am running in sandbox mode, while it is true in production as well as sandbox mode. Now let me just sign in and let me show you, okay. From here, let me just click out here everything, and you can enter anything here, no need to remember your password or everything, and you can just click pay now and it will process. So waiting, see this one, okay, you just need to enter your correct 24 passphrase. From there it went back just a minute, okay. Let me again do it, this one, okay. See, they are saying I have to log out and log in. Okay, first of all I have to go back from here, okay, and again let me cancel and let me go back, and okay, let me just log out from here, and now let me again sign in. We have to do like this because there is a sessions for Pi network, and thus when session ends you will be not be able to create a payment. Okay, now let me go. Okay, see, this is error. We are in development mode. Just wait, okay, I will develop this one. And okay, while developing, let me show you another thing. In mainnet you will be able to see this wallet, but in testnet you will not be able to see this one, okay. And you can just create a wallet address if you want. If you don't want, you need not have to create, and if you want, then you can just select, okay. If you don't have, you can just generate a new wallet, and please remember you have to keep safe this password, okay. And here, why you need mainnet app wallet? If you don't have mainnet app wallet, then when users try to pay you, then you will be able to receive your payment through your official wallet address in your personal. But if you applied for this, then when user pays through, then you will be able to receive in this wallet address. And when anything wrongs out, then you can go and do it from app to user, okay. Currently we are doing from user to app, and if you have this one, then you can do it from app to user. And see, in your backend, okay, you can just write like this only, no need to write app/API or anything. You can just keep this much only and just submit, okay. See here, this is backend, not front end, okay. And you can just do like this, okay. This is absolutely fine. Now what you need to do is that you can just, okay, generate new API key. If you haven't generated, you can generate it, and you have to enter this already, okay, in your environmental key, which is private. And now let me go out here and let me just click out here and let me see, okay, we have developed the test for the mainnet, okay. I'm just showing you all in this mainnet, okay, not testnet, so that the step 10 will be completed. Okay, now let me just log in again. Okay, now let me see here, it's showing like this, okay. Now let's try it's working or not, okay. See, this is just for 0.06 UC. I have done it for just for test, but you have to log out every time, okay, because the session will end so fast. Okay, now we have to do like this, and see, for test date I'm doing like this. I'm making minimum amount of pi, see, 0.0001 pi, so that my actual pi will not deduct too much. See, now it is working. Okay guys, now let me just enter here your passphrase, enter correct passphrase, and after entering just click send. Now let me, this is mainnet, okay, not testnet. I am just showing you through mainnet how you will be able to complete your step 10. Right now you have seen that step 10 is not green tick. Okay, now let me just click out here in send button. Okay, through the sandbox. See, now this has been successfully done, and now let me just close this one. Okay, just a minute, let me just close this one. You can just see, okay, app, B4U Esports, and recipient address, like this all. Now let me go out here and let me go to step 10 directly. Now you can see, I will show you pro mainnet. Okay, testnet we already completed. Now let mainnet checklist. Now let me go, see, last step process. Let me show you this one. Okay, this has been already completed. Now what you need to do is that you have to click on configurations to see whether it is working or not. Okay, first let me see from here. Let me go to my wallet address and show you, okay, whether my pi has been deducted or not, and you will be able to see that also through your wallet address, and you will be able to see memo and everything. Okay, now let me just unlock my this one just to show you that, see, this is pi mainnet, okay, not testnet. And here let me just show you, see, 0.0001 pi. Okay, it is coming to my wallet address. Why? Because I have done my self transaction. Okay, just write in myself, and you can just click out here, but in your case it will show in like second, okay, in red. Now let me show you, okay, how it is working. And this is signed by the pi. Okay, see here, have you seen fee 0.01 memo, see here 0.06 UC, and when you click more here you will be able to see everything, your details. This is the thing guys, and if you want to know everything and how to code, you can just comment in the comment section. I can absolutely assist you with all those things, steps. Now let me go to develop mode and let me check it out here. Okay, and mainnet, everything is same. Okay, if you have completed testnet step 10, then mainnet is same. See here, everything we have to write our descriptions and all. Okay, you have to check everything. See here, now right now there is no URL and anything, but when you develop your application and run in sandbox mode, you will not be able to see your URL, but in step 10 you will be able to see your privacy policy. When you click out there, then your privacy policy will be appeared. Okay, and from there you have to copy your link, privacy policy and everything. And right now let me just go to here and ecosystem. You have to, before submitting in ecosystem, please update your app profile. If not, it will get pending. Okay, you have to complete everything, this one, make it very appropriate, and then only submit. Okay, right now see, I haven't uploaded my pi, not my pi logo, my application logo. Now let me check it out through here how you can apply this. Okay, pi at platform, you can just go to this pi GitHub, okay, in developer. Then from there you can just integrate your at through in your application, and after integrating your at in your application, then you can just come here, I confirm, and do everything Okay, and but remember, you need to have your Ethereum wallet address, which you will be able to get through your Binance app, and see your app name and app URL. Okay, this is must. And which ad you want to show, you can click all. If you want to show all, then you can just click all. Okay, and yeah, select all. And if you have, then you can say yes. If you don't have, then you can just select no. It is absolutely okay, no need to do anything. Okay, I don't have, because I have recently developed my app, so how can I get approved through other ads platform? This is optional, you need not have to do. But see here, Ethereum ERC20 wallet address. Okay, you have to paste this one for your payout. You can get it through the Binance. Okay, after submitting, doing like this, everything, you can add anything. Okay, you can say that I want to integrate your Pi Network browser app, add through to my web app, and you can just submit. And you can just click out here, and you can just go back and see this is pending. You will be able to see pending. Okay, when you again come and see here, it will see here, it is saying pending, and this is okay. They will manually verify later on. And now hackathon, in your case, I think a hackathon event has been successfully ended, but I have one more day. Hackathon event will complete it in 15. Okay, and now see here in PiNet. Okay, setting, you have to set your backend URL, which I have already explained to you. And now let me go through this one. Okay, let me go to checklist, and from checklist, what I need to do is that I will need to click on this step 10. Okay, in step 10 you will be able to get everything, and not step 10, I will be able to get this. You can just click out here. Okay, URL, development URL. Okay, and paste here exec, and just enter slash. Right now you have to enter slash. Okay, not in above, and just write privacy hyphen policy. Okay, because this is the endpoint where you will be able to see your privacy policy as well as term of service. Okay, you can just go out here, and you can, and again enter here slash. Okay, after entering slash, then you can just enter terms. Okay, hyphen of hyphen service, and then it will be absolutely fine. This is the thing how you will be able to get your term of service and privacy policy URL. This is must when you try to configure your web app. Okay, right now we have to just click that one. Okay, and just copy, it is important. Okay, and just submit. Now it is submitted, and now you can just go back and now click on in configuration, and now you see everything is fetched. But see here, URL and this privacy policy URL and term of service optional, and what you need to do is that you can just go there and paste it out. Okay, after pasting, now you can just submit, and this is the last step where you need to do. Okay, and you can just click out here and upload your logo. Okay, this is must. Without uploading your logo, then it will not be shown in your ecosystem in PiNet. Okay, and when you have done everything, you have to now see I have done everything, and at last I have to submit in hackathon, because currently I am eligible. That is why tomorrow only it will be ended. See, successful, I have submitted, and they are showing withdraw from hackathon. No, I just don't want to withdraw it. This is the way how we can do it, and I am also lucky that I am able to submit in hackathon. This is a very important thing, and if you have any issue, please do let me know, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.